Welcome to our documentary, Stay Safe Online, Cybersecurity Made Simple. Every day, we use the internet for school, communicating and entertaining, but online threats are growing. Our infographic show 5 easy steps to help you stay safe online. Let's begin.
Tip number 1. Use a strong password. Make it long and unique. Combine letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid easy passwords like birthdays, names, or 123456. A strong password is your first protection against online hackers. Tip number 2. Protect your devices. Always update your phone and laptop since updates fix security issues. Install trusted antivirus apps and avoid downloading unknown files. Safe devices mean safe personal information.
Tip number 3. Practice safe browsing. Before entering your details, check if a website starts with HTTPS, never click suspicious pop-ups, or ads many contains viruses. Safe browsings protect you from harmful sites.
Tip number 4. Avoid scams and phishing. Scammers pretend to be bank, delivery companies, or even friends. They want your password, bank detail, or personal information. If a message feels suspicious or too good to be true, ignore it and stay safe.
And tip 5, think before you share. Anything you post online can stay there permanently. Avoid sharing private info like your address, ID, photo, schedules, or password. Once it's posted, you can take it back.
Cybersecurity affects everyone, not just individuals. When people lose their accounts or fall for scams, it impacts families, schools, and entire communities.
We also have an ethical responsibility online. Respect privacy, avoid spreading harmful content, and think before posting anything that may hurt others.
This is end our documentary. Stay safe online, cybersecurity made simple.
These 5 steps may look simple, but they protect you from serious online threats.
Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay alert, and stay safe online.